Ciao! Today we are making an easy chickpea salad. Open a can of chickpeas, drain and rinse using a colander, then place in a large bowl. Next, let's wash the cucumber and cut off the ends. Chop it into about the same size pieces, and then let's add it to the bowl with the chickpeas. Now let's wash the tomatoes and then cut them into similar sized pieces. Once we're done cutting, we'll add them to the bowl as well. Next, let's wash and cut the green onion. Now let's wash the Italian parsley and rough chop it and add it to the salad bowl. And now for a simple Italian dressing, let's add extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, sea salt, black pepper, and dried oregano. Let's give it a good mix. Serve and enjoy. Buon appetito!